Hi, I am Purni. I am currently pursuing articleship at SPR & Co. Now I am going to talk about GRC audit. Governance Risk Compliance Audit is a comprehensive evaluation of how well an organization manages its governance structure, assesses and mitigates risk, and ensures compliance with regulatory requirements and internal policies. The purpose of this audit is to provide a holistic view of these critical areas and how they interrelate, ensuring that our operations align with both strategic objectives and regulatory expectations. Firstly, governance is about how decisions are made and how the organization is directed and controlled. A GRC audit examines whether governance structures are effective and whether policies and procedures are properly implemented. This ensures accountability, transparency, and alignment with the organization's strategic goals. Secondly, risk management is a cornerstone of the GRC audit. The audit evaluates the processes in place for identifying, assessing, and mitigating risk. Effective risk management is crucial because it helps anticipate potential issues and prepare strategies to address them before they become significant problem. This proactive approach protects the organization's assets, reputation, and overall stability. Lastly, compliance ensures that the organization adheres to relevant laws, regulations, and internal policies. A GRC audit assesses whether the organization is meeting these obligations, reducing the likelihood of legal penalties and enhancing operational integrity. Compliance is not just about avoiding fines, it's about building trust with stakeholders and ensuring ethical practices. In summary, a GRC audit is vital because it provides a structured approach to managing governance, risk, and compliance. It helps identify weaknesses, improve process, and reinforce a culture of integrity and accountability. By regularly conducting GRC audits, organizations can navigate complexities with confidence, ensuring long-term success and resilience. Thank you.